I'm going to show you the final wiring, the completion of all the wiring. We're set up for 2 batteries. One battery is going to go here. That goes into my fuse box. Everything goes in the fuse box and is handled. This will be running for my 2 terminals, trolling motor plug-ins right here. That's going to be this battery here, and the second battery, we're connected all here with the green for ground, power, blue and yellow, going through the tubes down to here. This here is connected everything to the switching box. Just right here, I haven't labeled it yet, but it's a beautiful voltage meter, plugins for your phone, lighter. I'll label this later, and that's it.